Hi, I'm Natalie of Sew Hungry Hippie, and today I'm going to show you how to sew an adorable little dog kerchief. We've got from extra small to extra large, which I don't have here. But you know what? No matter what size you make, it'll fit your dog because the key about this is it slides, their collar slides through the channel. So it really doesn't matter if you make the wrong size. It'll just be big or small on them as a little bib or something. And all you need to do is make sure that your channel is wide enough for the leash or the collar that your pet uses. So I am going to take you overhead and sew one up real quick. All you need is some quilting cotton, one square piece. And in the cutting chart in the pattern, I have different size recommendations. You can always go larger or smaller. You do you. Okay, so this square is a 10-inch square. I think this will fit Tori. She's about 20 pounds now. I don't know, she might be 21 pounds with all the treats. And what we're going to do is fold in the corners by about 1.5 inches here. Now in the chart I have recommendations from 1 inch up to 3 inches. It'll just depend on your collar. Make sure that this is going to be wide enough for the collar to fit through here. So I'm going to sew across here and then sew down and sew down this way. Let me take you to the machine. Let's go across. I'm going to back it up a bit, leave my needle down, and pivot. There's one. All right, let's take it back to the work surface. Now I'm going to bring in my ironing mat. And we're going to flip it over and bring the two corners that are not sewn together like this. And give it a press. Now if I turn this, you're going to see we're almost there. So if you guessed that we are going to sew from here to here and from here to here, you would be right. Let's take it to the machine. I'm going to trim my corners. That helps reduce bulk and makes the seams lay a little flatter. You don't have to if you're in a real hurry, but yeah, if you're making 500 for a craft show, don't bother. Okay, now we're going to turn it right sides out through that channel opening. If you're making the really, really small size, you might want to use the loop turner tool. But, you know, just depends. It's not too difficult here. I'm going to use my easy point and press tool to help me guide the pieces out and to get my corners nice and crisp. So this one down here needs it. I like to take it along the edge like that. Push out my corner gently. And then take it along this seam. Nice. Sometimes you need to tease it out with your finger. Okay, now I'm going to press. Now let's top stitch here and these edges, and then we're going to come in with our acrylic ruler and mark the channel and sew across. Okay, let's take it to the machine. I'm going to sew that top edge first. Now don't sew your opening for the collar closed. Make sure you skip and come down to here. All right, let's take it back to the work surface. I'm going to move this over, bring in my acrylic ruler, and make sure that your channel is going to be big enough for your pet's leash to fit through. So you could use chalk. I'm going to use this pen for right now and draw a straight line all the way across. And now we're going to sew on that line. If you want to do another stitch, or if you want to put rickrack here or any kind of embellishment, you can. Trim your threads and you're all finished. So as you can see over here, the collar will just slide right through this channel. How cute. You can launder these in your laundry. Make one for each holiday or for every day of the week. Your pooch will love ya. Oops. You could even add your little tag in here, decorate it. You could put a patch up here. You could embroider it if you're into embroidery. Super cute. All right, go make 150 of these and post in the group. I'll see you later. Peace, love, sewing.